Hello, my name is Gage Frederick, and I just recently completed a policy guide on any business trying to move into Australia. This is a slide cast showing just some examples or pictures of exactly what my policy guide talked about and giving other people or other businesses an easier way to understand how moving into Australia would be beneficial or what they do differently than here in America. So the first thing is meeting etiquette. Australians love eye contact. They're straight up, nice, firm handshake. They're not that formal. This is just a meeting, so you're not dressed up. You're just meeting someone on the street, someone in a restaurant. But is one of the most important things to do is that first encounter with someone. That can really show who you are as a person, and if that person is willing to do business, just someone you're meeting off the street could possibly do business. This is something that would be really beneficial to you. Next, I'm going to talk about business meeting etiquette. Business meeting etiquette is something you need to know before going into a meeting in Australia. Look at the picture over here. They're all dressed up real nice and suitable for their meeting. So formal is always needed. Also, making sure that you call in or email, schedule a meeting, schedule the time and date before you do this, before going into a business meeting. They also like to cut to the chase, no dilly-dally here and there. They want facts and numbers, and that's about it. Next thing you know, it's negotiating and decision making. So something you'll have to do in every business is negotiate with your business and make decisions between them. So making decisions may take time in Australia for other businesses. They take this very seriously. I mean, I don't know who wouldn't, but the solutions they provide you is what they want, and they're not going to cut around the corners. They're honest, and they will give you everything that you are wanting to know. Next is what to wear. I guess I started this out a little bit in the business meeting, but business attire is something must need in basically every country you'll go to, especially in Australia. Something like dark colors, black, navy blue, gray. Women like dresses, nice slacks, suit, men suit pants, or nice slacks, I guess. Both just something needed for a business meeting and greeting. Next is the gift giving. This could be for a business deal, business joint venture, special occasions. So say you go to a dinner party, promotions, birthdays, small gifts is all that's needed. If you go to, say, a picnic or a lunch with someone at their place, it is always needed to bring wine, beer, liquor, unless they don't drink. Always help with food or snacks is something that they will love and is kind of needed every time you get invited to these types of places. Next is the dinner etiquette. So something you should have already had in America, but bring something for dinner and lunch, as I said earlier. Don't be more than 15 minutes late. It's very rude. Dress appropriately. If it's a picnic, don't dress in a full suit. But if it's like a nice restaurant that they invited you to, always be dressed appropriately. Table manners are always something that should be just embedded in your mind. Elbows always off the table, utensils in the right hands, mouth closed when you eat. Don't always have too much on your plate. It's very disrespectful. This picture is kind of irrelevant. I should have taken it off before that, but say you're having a dinner party for one of your bosses or someone you're trying to do business with, always set the table appropriate. It doesn't really go to table manners, but could go into dining etiquette and always a must need for a dinner or business party. So to conclude everything, I talked about many different etiquette styles in Australia. For anyone who would like to know, from table manners to dining etiquette to never being late to a business meeting, addressing appropriate, don't be nervous. Something that will kill either you or your business is being nervous and not getting out everything you wanted to. That is it for my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. Take a look at my policy guide if you have any more questions, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.